Welcome to Rehab Snacks, bite-sized rehab exercises to support your recovery after breast cancer. Today's session is just 7 minutes, and we're focusing on opening the chest and strengthening the back of your shoulders and arms. If you're doing this rehab as a repeat, you can jump ahead to the beginning of the session. There's 4 exercises, and we'll do 45 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest, and repeat this for 2 rounds. I'm filming this at the gym, but you can easily do it at home. No warm-up needed and no need to change into gym clothes. In terms of equipment, you'll need a long stick. A broomstick at home works well. Another option is using a resistance band spread out or going through the motions with no equipment at all. Check with your medical team if you're doing this before 6 weeks post-surgery to see if this is appropriate for you. Let's do a quick review of the exercises. For pass-throughs, hold a broomstick in front of you with both hands and slowly raise the stick overhead until the stick moves behind you or as far as your shoulders allow. Return to the front with control. Your grip should be narrow enough that you feel a gentle stretch through your chest and shoulders, but still able to keep your arms straight. You can substitute a band for the stick and then do the same motion. For shoulder rotations, grasp a stick in front of you so that your elbows are bent to 90 degrees. Alternate rotating the stick up and down, moving to your end range each direction. This exercise helps to increase shoulder stability and strength by targeting your shoulder and rotator cuff muscles. If your shoulder mobility is limited or if you have pain, you can reduce the motion to make it more comfortable. There's a tendency to let your shoulders roll forward, especially as you're bringing your arms down. So try to keep your shoulders anchored back the whole time. There's also an option to do this movement without any equipment at all. For shoulder extension, grasp the stick with your palms facing back and slightly behind your body. Raise your arm up to its maximum height and then slowly lower back down. This exercise increases the strength in the back of your arm and improves the mobility in the front of the shoulder. Similar to the previous exercise, the shoulder can roll forward as you're lifting up, so try to keep your shoulder pinned back the whole time. Here we go with the first round. That's your rehab snack for today. Short and sweet, but powerful for your recovery. Have an awesome day.